standard here 12 chapters is there. So today I given that the information about the chapters. First chapter motion, motion. Second chapter laws of motions, laws of motions. Third one is negative Q. Again, atoms and molecules. Atoms and molecules. Fifth one, what is inside atom? Sixth one, chemical reactions, reaction and equations. Equations. Seventh one, reflection of light, reflection of light at curved surfaces, curved surfaces. Eighth one, gravitation, gravitation. Nine, floating bodies, floating bodies. Tenth one, work and energy, work and energy. 11th, so in first chapter we discuss about the right side, left side, the directions. Again, how the motion, speed, velocity, again average speed and average velocity, distance and displacement, both are included in first chapter. In second chapter, laws of motion, we discussed Newton's three laws. First law is law of inertia, second law is linear momentum, and third one is where is the action and there is equal reaction, that is Newton's third law. Again, third chapter we can learn matter is pure. We went to purchase some of the provisions, rice, dal, sugar, is some substances pure, some of the substance mixtures. So which are the substance is pure, which are the mixtures? Again, the separation of the mixtures including different types we discussed in this chapter matter. Again, atoms and molecules. Atoms, what is the atom, what is the molecules? We discuss about the atoms and molecules. Who introduced the first idea of the atoms and which one we can call that the molecules? Such type of very important topics we can learn in this topic, atoms and molecules. Again, what is inside atom? This chapter will be related with the atoms and molecules. What is inside atom? In this topic, we can know that the proton, electron, neutrons, who find out the protons and electrons, neutrons. So such type of questions we can get the answers in this chapter. Again, chemical reactions and equations. In this topic, which atoms or molecules to participate with the chemical reactions, again how the form of the equations, the types of chemical reactions, again the properties of chemical reaction. In this topics we will discuss the chemical reactions and equations. Again, reflection of light at curved surfaces. We know already we discussed about in this topic reflection of light at plane surfaces in 8th class. In this 9th class we discuss about the reflection of light at curved surfaces. Again, gravitation. As relation gravitation. Again, what is the gravitation? Again, what is the mean by gravitation? Which are the following methods of the gravitation? Kinetic energy, again potential energy, the mean by work. Those topics are we discussed in gravitation. Again, floating bodies. In this chapter, we discussed about which bodies float on the water and which objects are sinked in water. Some of the heaviest objects not sinked in water. Why? What is the reason behind there? So such type of topics discussed on the floating bodies. Again, work and energy we know already. Kinetic energy, potential energy. Again, power, Pascal, we can discuss on this topic. Sound we know sound is one of the energy. We proved that one of the activity in 8th standard. Here, sound. Again, sound has longitudinal waves. So, longitudinal waves again the sound characteristics, ultrasonic waves application discussed in this sound topics. Again, units and graphs. This chapter will be relate with your mathematics also. How can you measure the units? What are the basic fundamentals of the units? The units MKS method, CCS method, FPS method, and SI units, international system of the units. Again, graphs, which units are taken in graphs. So, such type of measuring methods we can discuss in this chapter, units and graphs. So, today I start one of the most important topic is matter pure. So, I given that one of the flow chart for your understanding these topics is matter pure. The topic is matter pure. So here mixtures. So here types of matter is pure substance, mixtures. See here mixtures are two types. One is homogeneous, another one is heterogeneous. So here homogeneous and heterogeneous. So, in this topic, what is the matter? Again, the pure substance mixtures. Mixtures are divided into two categories. One of the homogeneous, another one is the heterogeneous. See here, you went to purchase some items for cooking purpose in Super Bazaar: rice, salt, milk, ghee, and other provisions. You may have tried to ensure that they get pure possibly milk and pure ghee, etc. In our day-to-day language, we can that day-to-day language, the pure means something with no adulterants. But in chemistry, pure means something different. You take milk. Milk has only one of the substance or mixture. So, if full cream pure, you take some milk in a vessel, spin it with the milk churna for some time. See, in your textbook, one of the diagram, here you take one of the vessel, some of the milk, you churn it, the help of churna. What will happen? Some of the products will be appears to light and surface of the vessel. So separation of the paste like the solid out of, is it a solid type of liquid type? Observe the separation of the space solid out of the milk. This paste like to the solid called is cream contained more than one the compound in it. It therefore mixture. So first we take milk, again milk, butter, ghee. So such type of matter substance will be mixtures including milk. So we have already studied about the mixtures in previous classes. Let us learn more about it. Churning makes the lighter components to come the surfaces when the mixture liquid or the span rapidly commercially. So what is the pure or mixture substance? Again, what is the mixture? What is the mixture? Many things that we have called pure are actually mixture of the different substance. Juice is a one of the mixture, water, sugar, and fruit pulps. Given water contains some salts and minerals. All the matter around the can be classified two groups, that is pure substance and mixtures. We prepare one of the juice preparation. We want to salt, water, lemon, sugar. These are the ingredients for using of the preparing juice. See here, you know already pure gold, 24 karat gold for using preparing for using to ornaments making. The substance does not change one matter which is the part of the substance you take for examination. So here, for example, whichever part is pure gold biscuits is taken as a sample with components is wanted to say through. We take golden biscuit. Is it pure gold? Here the particles will be same. There is no mixture. Only one type of particles will be including this gold biscuit. So same particles will be including the matter is called pure substance. Again, what is the mixture? Mixture is with already given that one of the example we preparing a lemon juice. The juice we required the required the ingredients sugar, water, salt, lemon. This we can call that the mixture. So pure substance has a same particles. Again, mixtures has different particles will be including there. Again, so types of mixtures. Types of types of mixture. So here, including you have learned about the mixtures to know that the types of mixtures. What are they? Let us find out. Mixtures can be solid, liquid, gaseous states or the combination of three stages. So matter is three types. Three types. One is solid, liquid, gaseous. Say, some substance we take only including solids, some type of substance liquid including again gaseous cell, same particles including there. Otherwise, the mixed gases will be including there. So, how can we find out the mixtures is the differences? So here, find out homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Find the finding finding out homogeneous homogeneous and heterogeneous homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. What are the differences between homogeneous and heterogeneous? That means homogeneous means the same particles will be including one of the substance. Is called homogeneous substances. Heterogeneous means different types of particles will be including this heterogeneous mixtures. See here, take two test tubes. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt to both test tubes. Fill one test tube with the water, another one is the kerosene, and stir it. So we find out the homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. First of all, we take two test tubes. Two test tubes. One is again in two test tubes has we take 1 tablespoon of salt. Both the test tubes we can take 1 spoon of salt. One test tube we can fill it with water. Another one we can fill it with kerosene. Kerosene. So stir it. That means shake well. After filling the water, first one, again, second one, kerosene, stir it. So, what do you notice? In the first test tube, can you observe that the salt dissolved completely? Such type of mixtures we can call that the homogeneous mixtures. In first test tube, we take that one of the tablespoon salt. We take water with the first test tube, stir it. What will happen? The salt will be dissolved completely in first test tube. You take second test tube. What will happen? The salt will be not dissolved in kerosene. So completely dissolved one substance to another substance to mix it up. That the substance we can call that the homogeneous mixtures. In other test tube, the salt is not dissolved. What do you conclude from this? Think. In homogeneous mixtures, the components of mixtures are uniformly distributed thoroughly. So, if the components or the homogeneous mixtures are too immersionally mixed that it will be difficult to distribution that from of the another by visual observation. For the example, air is a homogeneous mixture of many gases. We will prepare a drink lemon and enjoy the taste. It is a mixture of water. Homogeneous or not, so we already prepared that one of the drinking purpose soft drink. If you taste a spoonful of lemon and taste the same throughout, the particles of sugar and lemon solution will be cannot be the compounds separately. So we take for water, lemon, sugar, salt, salt to prepare a soft drink. These are the totally dissolved. These ingredients, lemon, sugar, salt will be dissolved totally dissolved in a water. We prepared a one of the drinking water. Such type of mixtures we can totally dissolved substance we can call that the homogeneous mixtures. We take here the second test tube has we observed about the activity the salt added to the kerosene. What will happen? The salt does not dissolve in kerosene. Such type of mixtures we can call that the heterogeneous mixtures. A heterogeneous mixtures is the mixture made up of different substance or the same substance in different status which are not uniformly distribution. See, water has salt will be totally dissolved. This is homogeneous mixtures. Here, the salt will not dissolve completely in kerosene. These are such type of mixtures we can call that the heterogeneous mixtures. So, again, second example, mixture of oil and vinegar, again naphthalene and water, or the heterogeneous mixtures or examples. First one is kerosene. Now, in your examination, they asked some of the questions such type which is the homogeneous mixtures, which are the heterogeneous mixtures. So you can write first example for homogeneous mixtures and second example so salt and kerosene, vinegar and oil, again naphthalene and water. These are the heterogeneous mixtures. So how can we prepare that the solution? Solution has what will be including there again properties of solution, preparation of a saturated unsaturated solution. Now we discuss it. So solutions. So, solution. All of us enjoy drinking soda of water and lemon. We know that they are examples of homogeneous mixtures. Thus, the homogeneous mixtures are two or more substances from which is cannot be separated by the components by process of the filtration. It is called the solution. We know already we are taken for drinking juice. Drinking juice, lemon. Here in juice, we take ingredients lemon. So, water, sugar, sugar, salt, salt, lemon. These are the ingredients we used for preparing the one of the drinking juice. So we cannot separate it for using filtration. This totally dissolved in water. Such the process of filtration is called the solution. Solutions can be formed a solid, liquid or gaseous. So solutions are mixed homogeneous mixtures. So many gases will be including in our atmosphere. So a solution has the minimum two components as solvent and solute is including there. So including solution has including solute, solvent, solvent plus solute. These are the two components are including there. What is the mean by solvent and solute? So here the components of the solution that the dissolved at the other components is it is called solvent. The components of the solution that the dissolved in a solvent, the compounds presence is lesser than the solute. See, we prepare one of the juice more quantity in solution as more quantity we take, we can call that solvent. Less quantity we can call solute. So this means water will be dissolved the salt totally. So water is solvent, solute is salt. So a solution of sugar is prepared by a dissolving of sugar in water. So in this solution, sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. See here. In iodine in alcohol, iodine is a solid is alcohol is the solvent. All the attractive drink or liquid solutions containing the carbon dioxide as solvent and water is solvent. Solute and solvent. Can you give some more examples for the solutions and tell the solute and solvent for present in those solutions? So today homework, what is the mixture? Is the mixture? How many types of substance? How many? How many types of substance? How many types of substance? Again, how many types of mixtures? Give me examples of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Children, you can prepare one of the running notes. So 1 mark questions, ask such type of questions in your final examinations. Thank you.